Welcome back everybody, and thank you for tuning into this video here at Mobile Outdoor. Today we're going to do something a little bit different, and that is cracking this, or should I say attempting to crack this small geode. Now, I found this little guy last fall on the side of the road, and I haven't had any tools or proper equipment to crack this thing the way I wanted to. But I think I've finally devised something that will work. So we're going to go ahead and run on over to our workspace here, and I'll explain my setup a little bit. And hopefully this guy here has some secrets yet to be found. Alright, so here's our setup. I know it looks a little odd at first, but I think this will work out pretty good. And more than likely I'll go through a few different styles and setups as time goes on. But this seemed to be the best so far. The first piece of equipment we have here is our nice little pipe cutter. Now, this thing is not intended to crack rocks of any kind, but lo and behold, it's actually pretty good at it. So that's what we'll be using it for today. Especially since this geode is so small, regardless of if it's hollow or solid, it should crack no problem. And then just to make things a little easier on me, we have it clamped down by this nice machine vise. Now this thing weighs like 50 pounds, so it shouldn't go anywhere. By combining these two pieces of equipment, I'm hoping that I can crack some pretty small rocks, or in this case, a small geode, to kind of explore more minerals and see what's inside of them. So, to load up our geode here, it's pretty simple. All we gotta do is lift this one piece up and slide our geode in. We're gonna try cracking it sideways just because the geode's relatively skinny, so if we try cutting it long ways, we're probably just going to have it slip out of the jaws. So we won't waste any time trying to deal with that. And as I'm sure you can already see, all we gotta do is slowly tighten this screw down, and we should be putting enough pressure on this rock to crack it. Oh, hold up. I almost forgot safety glasses. You never want to forget those. Those are probably the most important piece of safety equipment here. So, to a little bit of my surprise, this geode didn't crack as easy as I initially thought it would, given some of the crazy things I've done with this pipe cutter in the past. But as time went on, I decided to brace the pipe cutter, or in this case, the rock cracker, with my other hand, which ultimately gave us the rest of the leverage we needed to crack this open. Whoa! That shot off fast. Let's watch that again. Alright, so here's the geode we just cracked. And as you can see, it didn't crack as even as I would have liked it to, but either way, we'll still be able to see inside of it. So without further ado, is this geode hollow or solid? Looks like it's solid this time around. I kind of figured it might be after it gave us so much trouble trying to crack it, but you still never know. Besides that, I think it's still pretty cool when you can look at it close like this and see some of the individual crystal structures. So that's always fun. And I guess technically we have a little cavity right there. But we're not going to count that. And check out this side. This side's pretty much just more of the same. So, that about does it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it's not something that I typically do, so if you want to see more of this stuff in the future, be sure to let me know down in the comments, and I'll line some stuff up. Until next time, stay safe and rock on.